There you go.
Hello. Me and my mom are taking a walk. See, look all around us. It's really strange because some trees are green like that, but some trees are empty like that. So sometimes there's flowers and sometimes there's not. But sometimes there is flowers all around us. Me and my mom are taking a hike, but now we're going back. So I'm showing it around. Look at that tree, and look at that tree, for example. But look at the ground. It's still like it is. And the grass, but not some trees. But a couple of trees like this are still green. I was just playing on the play structure. And sometimes we take a longer hike, but now we have to go back to my sister. But I don't care. We can always go for another day. It's just something. And who cares? Look, all around us. Here's some stairs we're gonna go. And they're really high. So why don't we go? Sometimes we go for a longer hike, but we can always go for different days. Sunday, I'm going to go with my grandpa. I don't know when, because my mom didn't tell me. But we can always go for another day. We're going up a steep hill, so we have to be careful and hold hands. See, look how high it is. But sometimes I want to go even higher, but that's too high, my mom says. So we went for a walk. I wanted to go on that mountain. And I was expecting it prettier, but it's already pretty. But look at this. It's so pretty and something, don't you think? See, look at all this stuff like here and here. Because I'm zooming in right now. And now I'm zooming out. Look at all the high stuff. But I don't care, because everything is okay. Sometimes we go for a longer hike, but it's okay. Me and my mom can go forever if we want. But now we have to go back to my sister. Like I was saying, it's really deep. So my mom has to hold my hand. And she has to walk on the deep side. And that's really high. You know how you think it's just a little one? It's a big one. Me and my mom are all done. We're walking back to the car. But that's a good hike, even though it was short. We barely did it. But it's okay. okay.